Hey there, welcome to my review of Soci AI. I am in the dashboard of we're here, and we're actually going to come back and talk about this. Matter of fact, I've already pre-recorded a demo for you, and we're going to come back and take a look at that in a moment. And with that, we'll go through everything here. But what I need to do, though, is get you over to my bonus page. And my bonus page is where I have all the additional information, bonuses that I'm going to give to you for picking up Soci AI from many of my banners today, and also the prices and the additional offers and upgrades that are being offered with the Soci AI today. So let's head on over to my bonus page, and you get there by beneath this video, clicking on the link that says get my exclusive bonuses and Soci AI here. Click that link and you will end up on this page right here. Okay, so Soci AI revolutionary ChatGPT4 powered app. All right, automate social media accounts like TikTok and a whole lot more by creating and posting trending viral content such as videos, images, reels, and more with Siri-like voice commands in less than 60 seconds. So this can add tens of thousands of targeted views and traffic and followers on Autopilot, just embed your affiliate links for maximum profit. Let's talk a little bit more about it here. So, by the way, at any time, are you ready to go ahead and pick up your copy of Soci AI? Click on any of the red banners that you see on my page here today, and that will take you over to your sales page to go to your secure checkout. So, a little bit more about Soci AI. Soci AI is transforming the social media game. Over 4,500 plus smart marketers and social media influencers are harnessing the power of this full ChatGPT4 driven to create posts, viral content posts, and skyrocketing their viral social media following. And by the way, the ChatGPT4, I believe it's still in its beta format and it's already, up and running. So look, ChatGPT4 has already taken the world by storm in 2023. It's revolutionizing every corner of the online world, including the social media industry. And we have created a fully ChatGPT4 driven app that combines the power of social media and lets you take and skyrocket your social media accounts and followers like crazy. But the question is, are you riding the waves? And if not, then later you'll be regretting why you didn't jump on it when you had the chance. This revolutionary ChatGPT creates and posts trending viral content on all your social media accounts at once. Craft high converting social media marketing materials in just one click. And it even creates stunning viral short videos for Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok and drives massive followers. And with your Siri-like voice command, and I'm sure that you don't have this life-changing tool in your marketing arsenal. So you're just 3 clicks away. All right. Click number 1, create. So give Siri-like voice commands to create high engaging social media content such as videos, images, reels, or anything else that you want. Step 2 is to post. Automate, schedule, and post your high engaging social media posts across all platforms in just 1 click. And step number 3 is to profit. Start profiting by driving tens of thousands of targeted views and traffic with massive following on complete Autopilot. And so we're going to jump off of this page real quick. I want to go ahead and show you the demo of Soci AI, and we will be back in just a few minutes. Okay, welcome to my demo of Soci AI. I will try to make this as short and sweet as possible. But if you know me, I am very long-winded at times, and I'll try to keep that under control. All right. So when you download, copy, and log in, this is what you are going to see. This is your dashboard here, the members area. And right here in great big, you can't miss it, is to watch the video on how to start. So you watch that video, I believe it might be about 7 minutes long. Over here in your menu bar here starts with your social API. And so in order to connect to your Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, you need to add those through this link up here. And then we have our training. And so Here we have multiple things that it gives you instruction on, basically how to get started. The AI suite information, including AI content, AI image, AI short video, and Facebook posts. In addition, the Instagram post, as well as TikTok, Pinterest, Telegram, and Tumblr, and also RSS feeds. Okay. And so that is your training area. Everything is somewhat self-explanatory, but I always recommend that you go through all of the training to begin with. All right. And then what we have seen here in the AI suite is the AI content, the AI images, the AI short videos, and the AI graphic editors. Let me go ahead and show you what the interface looks like for these things. So to start off with, the each look pretty much the same. This here is just filler text in there. There's nothing to copy or delete. Once you start typing, it erases what's there. Okay. So what you can do is, just type in what you want to know about, or in the AI suite here, all of these items, you have the option of voice. So rather than typing it in, you can just go ahead and click on the microphone and speak. And so that is the same for your AI images. And this is for creating images here. You have the option to speak it in as opposed to typing it. You have 3 different image resolutions to choose from as far as your results. And on the front end, you also have only 3, 6, or 9 images to generate for each time in addition, you have your AI video shorts. Same thing. You got to select an option, square, portrait, or landscape. Now, one thing on the images, they're all square. On your short videos, you have the option of having a square, portrait, or landscape. You have a video as well as audio mode. And then you can actually select the audio depending upon the mood that you selected. All right. And then once you generate your result, you can go ahead and then download it when the end results appear at the bottom of the page. You also have a AI graphic editor, pretty simple editor. You have the resolution to choose from. And once again, you have 3, 6, or 9 as far as the output that is available for you. Okay, and down here is where you enter your info or speak your request of what you want. All right. Now, also, as mentioned before, you have your Facebook, you can do multimedia posts, you can do CTA posts, or you can do your carousel slideshow. You have Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, Blogger, WordPress, Reddit, YouTube, TikTok, My Google Business. We're going to click on that in a moment, your Pinterest, Telegram, Tumblr, and then you click on this link to ask questions or to click on the support if your questions can't be answered and you're having an issue. Now, this Google My Business is you can import different accounts, have location manager, and you can review replies. And so on this account import, I'm going to click on that. When you first get started, this is what you're going to get. Something's missing. No app is configured yet. It needs to configure at least one app. And so you need to actually, add app. And you can do that from up here with your Soci apps. Okay. All right. And so that is it in a nutshell. One thing, of course, is that when you're using anything that uses ChatGPT or OpenAI, there are going to be times when things work perfectly. You get quick responses. There are going to be times where it might take, 30 seconds or 40 seconds to generate, depending upon the amount of content that you've requested. And then there's some times where it will just time out on you. And that has nothing to do with the interface. It all has to do with the back end, the ChatGPT. As you probably know, if you're familiar with it, is that it gets clogged up, and it can only, utilize so many users at a time. And so you may just have to, wait and do your stuff at a different time. But anyway, I just wanted to bring that up. That is your demo of Soci AI. And let's get back to my bonus page. Okay. So how was the demo? All right, let's go ahead and continue. And so right now we're going to talk about what it is going to cost you today. So start off with $17. Now there is a coupon, Soci AI 2, that gives you a $2 off coupon, which you can get this for $15 right now. I'm not sure if this is one of the offers where the price increases every hour or not, but it only increases, like minorly. So it's still within that $15 and change range, if that's the case. And then there are a number of OTOs. Now, rather than having to write everything out on a bonus page, I'm going to take you over to part of the sales page where it has these bonuses. These one-time offers. Now, the page that you're seeing now is once you initially log in, once you click your Warrior Plus link, you will come to this page and you'll click on the login URL to get your dashboard. But also on this page, if you didn't take advantage of them while you were purchasing Soci AI, here it has all of the upsells. So starting with Soci AI Pro, you're going to unlock seamless integration and integrate AI Hub to your favorite softwares. Pro version comes with more advanced features of the AI Hub, commercial licenses included. And one of the good parts is that it unlocks 10 times faster speed content by upgrading to the Pro, and much more there, as you can see. Then there's the Soci AI Max. Soci AI Max, it unlocks unlimited everything. All right. It also includes the commercial license, gives you an unfair advantage, unlock unlimited content creation, remove all the limits from your account, unlimited AI graphics, unlimited answers to unlimited questions, unlimited code creation, unlimited everything, like it says. All right. And this is the one thing I was talking about, I believe, during the demo, where you get to do unlimited versions when you input a command to create like your graphics or your videos and stuff like that. So you're not just limited to 3, 6, or 9. Okay. And there's no, daily or weekly limit, so as much as you want. Okay. The next upgrade that was there is the automation, that, lets the Soci AI group, create your Soci AI accounts for you. So if you think that that's something that you can't go through and do a couple of minutes yourself, then that is available for you. Then there's the done for you. And so this is also something that you can do, but if you feel that, you want someone that with the expertise to do it for you so that you're sure that it's done properly, then this is available for you too. So you can 10 times your business in profit, proven and battle tested marketing kit. Beta testers made $32,000 plus in 30 days with this add-on. You build unlimited landing pages and funnels. You can expand your reach with SMTP, email autoresponder, huge life-changing payments, avoid missing out and leaving money on the table. Okay. And then we have Soci AI agency. So you can create limit accounts for your clients for maximum profits, a central dashboard that controls all of your clients' account and more. And these last two have been mixed up. So this white label is actually the reseller. So the reseller, you get done for you, a product support, done for you sales material, and you keep 100% of the product by reselling Soci AI. All right. And the white label is what's down here, where you also get 100% of the AI white label. We'll set up your own software with your own domain. We'll set up your logo for you. We'll host your software on your server, and we'll do all of the hard work for you. So these two are mixed up. So this is the other white label information, and up here is the reseller information. So even the experts make mistakes. Let's get back over to my bonus page and continue. And so what we just went over here are the prices for those upgrades. Now, of course, the benefits here are plentiful. You're upgraded to the fully new ChatGPT4 and OpenAI driven app. Automatically creates and posts GPT-4 engaging social media. You boost your media engagement. You have auto post scheduling and automating, generate and publish trending Instagram reels, YouTube shorts, TikTok videos, and any niche design, attention grabbing graphic visuals, art, images, for your medias and posts and marketing and engage. You get a whole bunch of benefits and features, with Soci AI. All right. And of course comes with the ironclad 30-day money back guarantee. Now, also on this page here, I do have a demo video, and actually this one here that I'm showing during this review is the demo that I got from the vendor. All right. Now, being the vendor is a little bit hard to understand is why I went ahead and made my own. And when you see this, it's going to be my video here. I decided to do that at the last minute. Okay. So at any time, then you can come back and revisit this page if you want to watch that demo video again before you purchase. And of course, at any time, click on any of the red banners to go ahead and get your copy now. Now, I also have some bonuses for you for when you purchase Soci AI through any of my banners here today. Bonus number one, artificial intelligence and digital marketing. This is a fairly new bonus that I created, put together myself and added to my arsenal here because my goodness, AI is, just taking over everything. And so this here gives you a lot of information and marketing ideas and how to make money with it and what it's being used for, everything that you need to know. Bonus number two, I'm going to give you some free traffic. All right. So I'm giving you 5,000 guaranteed free visitors to any URL of your choice. And on top of that, I'm giving you 2,500 text ads plus 2,500 banner impressions, $1,500 value right there itself. So at any time, click on any of the red banners, go ahead and get started. Bonus number three, 100 info product creation ideas. All right. Put this together recently also. And so with this Soci AI and with the GPT in general, you have product creation at your fingertips. And, and I have another product. This product is geared towards social marketing. I have another product. I think I'm going to, add a link or a QR code on this page so you can check that out, or you can just create a limitless, products. And, and this here will give you, 100 ideas. Not that there aren't even more than that you can start making some money with the ChatGPT. Bonus number four, learn how to build a big email list pretty fast. It's called Lightning List. That was bonus number four. Bonus number five, affiliate advantage. So here you're going to learn how to go from beginner to super affiliate in almost instantly. All right. Bonus number six are the bonuses that the Soci AI group is giving you, or they're passing that through to me to pass on to you when you purchase through any of my banners here today. So jump on that as quickly as possible. This is being sold through the Warrior Plus platform. So once you click on any of my banners, get over to the sales page and click on the purchase link. Once you go to your secure checkout, you're going to end up on your purchase page at Warrior Plus. Two things to look for there. All right. The first thing is the green button, which will be your access to your Soci AI platform. And the blue button will be what you're going to click on to get all the bonuses that I just told you I've given you when you purchase Soci through any of my banners today. All right. So I didn't want to have this go real long. Let me go ahead and thank you for taking the time to check out my review of Soci AI. Hopefully it was something that is of value to you, and certainly hope that the product is of value to you. If you do any type of social marketing at all, it is of great value to you. Well, that's it. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. And as always, to your success.